Hey there, I'm Casey and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Head Over Meals video series where we're sharing weekly challenges to inspire you to eat well in the new year.
And today we are talking about soup.
Soup is so good. It's a really affordable way to get a lot of bang for your buck. It stretches really well if you're feeding a crowd, or even if you just want to freeze for leftovers. That works really well. Soup is also a really great way to incorporate every component of your meal in one dish, so you can have your veggies, your whole grain, your protein all in one dish, which I love.
Yes, less dishes too. So speaking of making your own soup, there are lots of different ways to make your own soup. You could use your slow cooker, which I really love doing. Yes. I love our recipe for chicken pot pie soup in the slow cooker. Yes. One of my favorites.
Such a good one.
You can also use an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker if you have that. I really love our broccoli cheese soup recipe in the Instant Pot. Super delicious. And then, of course, you could just use your stovetop. And we have this recipe that we made here today. This is a turkey Italian sausage and tortellini soup recipe that we just made right on the stove.
This is one of my favorite recipes. Such a good one.
So delicious and so comforting too.
For sure. So yes, like Lauren said, lots of great homemade options. But if you're low on time, there's certainly lots of other great options that are a little bit more convenient. We actually have soups already prepared in our deli that you can grab and go and just heat up at home. Very simple, very delicious too. Or canned soup is always an option. And for either of these soups, you can always add extra veggies or whole grains to kind of up that nutrition a little bit.
So try a homemade soup recipe or just try a new to you soup, and we're excited to see what you come up with.